friends, today we will learn the 7 days of the week. The first day is Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. The second day is Tuesday, T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. The third day is Wednesday, W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. The fourth day is Thursday, Thursday, Thursday. The fifth day is Friday, Friday, Friday. The sixth day is Saturday, Saturday, Saturday. The seventh day is Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. Did you notice in all the words at last there was day? Yes, I noticed.
Oh, wow.
So let's play a game. If today is Sunday, what will be tomorrow? Tomorrow will be Monday. Thank you.